creamed mushrooms and spinach on a quesadilla. These are creminis, and these are maitake, hen of the woods. You just pull them apart. That's it. Done. For the creminis, or baby portobellos, I just wipe them down, slice them up, and you want to start with about 1 pound total of mushroom. I also have 2 medium or 1 large bunch of spinach chopped, or you can defrost some frozen spinach if you have some on hand. That's fine too. A 16-ounce bag is what I would use. A little Mexican oregano. Start tossing these guys around. Then to make the quesadilla, I have 1 brick or about 2 cups, about 12 ounces of Monterey Jack. And I added a little sharp white cheddar because I had it in the fridge. You want about 3 cups of cheese total if you're going to make 4 very large quesadillas. Okay, I think our mushrooms are getting nice and brown for me. So let's add the shallots. Scatter them around the edges, let the mushrooms keep browning in the middle, right? Now we can add our salt and pepper. And I'm going to grate in my garlic. Okay, guys, a nice fat splash of sherry goes into our mushrooms, shallots, and garlic. Smells divine. And now we're going to wilt in, as that cooks out and down, we're going to wilt in all of our spinach. And then we're going to turn it into creamed spinach and mushrooms with our Mexican crema, or you can use heavy cream or even melted cream cheese. About 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of that. I don't really measure it. Go. And our 3/4 of a cup of Parma cotija. Okay, I sprayed the pan first. It's a cast iron skillet with just a touch of neutral oil. I like to cook the inside of a quesadilla first. I like to char and brown the tortilla on both sides. So once I flip it, then you build it. This is the last of our combination of Monterey Jack and sharp white cheddar. But I put it in 2 phases. I fill half of each tortilla with 1/4 of our mushroom and spinach mixture. And then I top that with a little bit more of the other cheese. And it's exactly 4 large flour tortillas, or it would fill 8 small corn tortillas. Where'd my spat go? Here we go. Then you fold it over. And if it looks a little dry, you can give it a hair more spray. And flip and press to set it. These are so delicious. Even if you're a meat eater, you're going to love these and find them super beefy in flavor because of that great mix of cremini mushrooms and maitakes, or hen of the woods mushrooms. Then I just top them with milder hot jalapeno pickled peppers. There you go. Done.